Well, Nightgarden, this is something different. I don't think there's anything quite like it in Liverpool at the moment, or maybe anywhere else. You know, it mixes food with great music and fantastic decor and atmosphere. It's a really interesting experience. Just come and look at the room and, you know, have a drink, relax, bring your friends.
It's just the best way to start your weekend. When you finish on a Friday, you don't want to go to some restaurant where it's just like really bad music being played too loud with no thought, no sight of a DJ or somebody really thinking it. You know, making sure that your meal's been complemented, you know, with perfect music.
It's every single Friday night?
Every single Friday, yeah.
How do you pair wine with music?
Well, me personally, I adopt the approach that really you should drink what you like with what you like. But you can drink the best wine with the best food with bad company and it will taste garbage. Or you can drink reasonable wine with amazing food, amazing company, great music and have the time of your life.
What's on the menu tonight? Right, we've got a load of really regional local game. We've got grey squirrel, deep fried with a dandelion and burdock dipping sauce. We've got some wonderful roe deer there. We've got some fresh partridges and some fresh pheasants. Everyone said, Robert, you've got no chance of selling stuff like that in Liverpool. They really did. And the partridge and the pheasant and the venison are outselling the burgers any day of the week. It's fantastic and it's a brilliant, brilliant venue. It's got a great feel to it.